Today we are doing easy email marketing for HVAC contractors. So most of you probably don't have email marketing, but if you do, that's okay. I'm gonna teach you a bunch of things to make this easier for you, but we're gonna get started by just getting going with email marketing. I recommend using Aweber. At least this tutorial is going to be on how to use Aweber. So essentially, Aweber is an email marketing platform you can use. It's aweber.com. So you're going to come here. You're going to sign up. I've already created a name, but I'm going to walk you guys through this step by step with a new email. This is how you're going to do it. You're going to enter your name. You're going to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, probably your business address here. You're going to push start growing today. They're going to create your account. Then you're going to go over to your Gmail or whatever you use to use this account, and then you're going to push get started from your email. It's going to open you up. Then it's going to want, I don't know why it's reverting to the last one I used. So enter your email here. It should already be in. Now give it a password. Okay. Save the password. Make sure it's 6 characters. Cannot be easily guessed, cannot match your username, uppercase and lowercase, whatever. You guys know how to do this. So save your password. Save. Now you want to start with the free. Get started for free because you don't have any subscribers yet. And this is the best platform to start with because you can set up one automation, which the automation will be your welcome email. And I'm going to give that to you also. So whatever your name, company name, let's just say HVAC. If you have a website, you can punch this in, your industry, HVAC, and then you say, no, I'm new to Aweber. Well, actually, I wouldn't put that. Yes, I understand the basics. I mean, you're going to put that because I'm going to show you what to do here. So your address. So let's put in my address here. And you're going to put in your address. And you're just getting started with email. You don't already have a list. So you're going to want to actually sell products or services online. They just want this for their own internal bookkeeping records. What tools do you use for your business? You can click any of these that apply. You might use Facebook, you might use WordPress for your website. I'm just going to use Twitter. Continue. Okay, now you have an account, and what we're going to do first off is we're going to publish a pre-built sign-up page. So let's publish that. My sign-up page. So you can view what it looks like. So sign up for email updates. Make sure you never miss a post. I'll also let you know about new things I'm working on. So basically you're going to go in here and you're going to edit this thing to say sign up for my email updates. Make sure you never miss a post. We don't want to say that. Sign up for email updates. We'll say you can put any type of type you want in here, but we'll let you know about new things we're working on and give other interesting updates. Everything HVAC! Exclamation part. And then you put your email. Really here. thanks. Got it. No thanks. Okay, so once you have that, this is what this is going to look like. This is your sign up page. Now, again, you can change this however you want. Like, there's so many different things you can do to this. You can bold this stuff. I wouldn't go too crazy on here because this is just a page you're going to collect email addresses from people. So they're going to go to your website, or you're going to push people to your website, and you're going to have them put their email in here. You might have an alternate way of already getting people's email addresses. Maybe you get them during the billing, or however you're getting them. That you're going to want to put them in here. If you haven't been getting them yet, you're going to want to start putting them in here. Sometimes for some businesses that means do it by hand. You enter each one of these by hand. If people are just writing down their name and email address on a piece of paper, then you have to put this in by hand. I know that seems tedious, but each one of these you get is going to be big for your business. So publish the page. Okay, now this is the URL, so you can put this on your Facebook or your LinkedIn or your Twitter. You can even put this on, you can make a post about this on your website too, if you have one. So now that that's done, and that'll just link people right to this page, just right here. But it'll have, won't have your email in there. It'll just be blank. So it'll look like this. And on mobile, it'll look like this. Okay, so now we have your email sign up set up. Okay, now let's go to automation. Campaigns. So automation is basically, actually we don't even want this, so we're gonna delete this. This campaign you're about to delete, yeah, we're gonna delete this. Okay, we are going to create a campaign, and we are going to do a welcome series, because this is just welcoming people to your HVAC company. So we're going to edit this. Now, so this is going to trigger on when new subscribers subscribe to your email list. This is a welcome campaign, so when people pop in, this is what's going to trigger, and then they're going to get this message. And so we're going to go in here, and we're going to click here, and then we are going to edit all this. Got it, no thanks, we don't need this. So I already have a preset thing that we can use here. So hi customer name. So basically you can copy this and you can put it right here into the form. So delete out everything else that was in there already and just add this in. And now we have hi customer name. Thank you for signing up with your company. We're excited to have you as part of our community. As your local HVAC experts, we're committed to keeping your home comfortable year-round, whether that means a cozy winter or a cool summer. Space that for regular maintenance to emergency repairs, we've got you covered. What you can expect from us: exclusive deals. Keep an eye on your inbox for special offers and seasonal discounts. Pro tips and advice. We'll send you valuable tips to help keep your system running efficiently. Priority service. Can delete that. We're here whenever you need us. If you have any questions or want to schedule your first service, give us a call at, and then put your phone number here, or visit our website. And then thanks again for choosing your company right there. We look forward to serving you. And you're going to put your name, your company name, your phone number, your website URL, and your social link, maybe just Facebook, or, and then so when anybody clicks on the last page, your sign up list, they're going to get this. They're going to get this email, right? So save and exit that, and I'm going to put this into the I'll put that into a Google sheet and leave a link to it in the description so you can use this if you want. and then we save and exit. So now everything is set up for the automation. Save it, exit, and now we have the welcome series done. And so from here, you're set. So basically, we created your landing page where people can go to and create the put their email in, and then we created the first automation. And now from there, it's just a matter of creating new broadcasts. An email is technically called a broadcast. So you would just go to your dashboard whenever you want to send. There's a few of these that welcome new subscribers. We already did that. You can share this on your socials if you want, which we kind of already did that with the landing page. You can connect Stripe. I wouldn't recommend doing that. There's no need to do that. Sell your first product. There's no need to do that. So you can skip these steps here because they're not really that important. Skip remaining steps. And then you can just schedule a broadcast and create a message. Drag and plain text editor. So always use plain text editor when you're sending your emails. And this is it. And you're just going to start typing your emails in here on a day-to-day basis or week-to-week, and that'll be your newsletter. I recommend not putting in any type of pictures or images because many studies have shown that reduces the open rate by up to 30% or more, because people just don't, somehow they know, they're expecting to see an image. Maybe not the first time you send it, but if you put images in all of your emails, people will just stop opening them. So it's what people want, is they want emails that look like that they're from a friend, because that's engaging and they read it. So you're sending these emails to stay top of mind and stay relevant to your new clients, and to keep retention high for your existing clients. So that's it. The next series on this, I will actually put a couple of emails in here. I think I have 10 emails that I can show you that I'll put into a Google Drive, but I'll list in the next video, that shows you exactly what to email your clients and when to email them. And so, yeah, all you have to do, save and exit. I mean, we didn't create an email here, but you've now done the automation and you've set up the landing page for people to put their email into, so you're all set. So if you like this type of information, hit the like button, maybe leave some comments. I don't care if you subscribe, but yeah, that's it. Thanks.